designer, let's start today's lesson. Select picture and go to adjustment layer and select black and white. Go to adjustment layer and select levels. Adjust contrast little bit darker. Create new layer and go to edit, select fill. Select 50% gray. Right-click and convert to smart object. Go to filter and select filter gallery. Select sketch and halftone. Add layer and select tone edges. Follow these settings. Change the blending mode in hard mix. Go to adjustment layer and select invert. Click on icon. Go to filter, distort, select twirl. It's done. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe.